Last week, a Chinese company called DeepSeek stunned the world by surpassing OpenAI with their release of the open-source R1 model. Not only does R1 outperform OpenAI's $200 reasoning model, but it also beats Claude Sonnet and Gemini on key benchmarks. More importantly, it passes the My Vibe test along with many others on the internet, unless you ask it about the events of April 15, 1989. Surprisingly, R1 even excels at math, which is remarkable considering that OpenAI had access to the answers ahead of time. Over the past few days, R1 has gone viral and quickly became the #1 app in America. This is a huge issue for big tech because, for the AI industry to continue thriving, AI has to be complex and require thousands of GPUs to function. However, DeepSeek's R1 cost less than $10 million and was actually a side project of a hedge fund, whose primary goal was to create long-term social value. Wall Street is now panicking, and Nvidia's stock is facing a significant drop. Nvidia has been a major beneficiary of the AI boom, but the entire bubble was punctured by this brutal reality check. In today's video, we'll explore how DeepSeek has changed the course of history. Big tech is currently shaking, and Sam Altman, OpenAI's CEO, even took to Twitter to comment on the situation. He tweeted that revolutions can neither be made nor stopped. The only thing that can be done is for one of its children to give it direction through victories. Interestingly, his tweet nearly got ratioed by someone with an anime profile picture, who simply replied, "It's not that deep, bro, just release a better model." In response to DeepSeek, OpenAI is now offering its 01 mini model to free users. But that's not all. They also introduced a new feature called Operator, which grants AI access to a browser, allowing it to click buttons and fill out forms on your behalf. This is a game changer, as it means you could have ChatGPT attend your court-ordered DUI classes or complete any other online tasks for you. In the future, humans might no longer need websites or UIs, only APIs that interact with AI. However, the Operator feature is currently only available to users on the $200 plan, and the feedback on it has been mixed. While OpenAI is trying to remain competitive, it's clear that the Chinese are dominating the field right now. DeepSeek, for instance, didn't stop at R1. They also released a groundbreaking tool called Hunyu on 3D, which can generate 3D meshes and textures. This is massive for people like me who have struggled for years to master Blender. But what's truly mind-blowing is that DeepSeek's breakthrough was created with minimal investment. Even tech investor Mark Andreessen called it one of the most impressive breakthroughs he's ever seen, describing it as a profound gift to the world. As a result, the stock market is now in turmoil, with nearly $1 trillion in value wiped out. Nvidia has been the biggest loser, followed by other chip companies like Taiwan Semiconductor and Broadcom. Nvidia has had a monopoly on AI training for the past decade, mainly because they have better Linux drivers than AMD. All the machine learning algorithms are optimized for proprietary libraries like CUDA, which can only run on Nvidia GPUs. They also have the infrastructure to connect these GPUs at scale, which has allowed Nvidia to rake in massive profits as AI models have grown in size and popularity. However, someone managed to get DeepSeek's R1 model running on a few Apple M2 Ultras, and that's terrifying if you're a tech investor. The top-of-the-line 680 billion parameter model can run on relatively inexpensive consumer hardware, and since it's free, open source, and developed in China, it raises serious questions about how companies in the AI space will continue to make money. Many are calling this the Sputnik moment, referencing the shock the United States felt when the Soviet Union launched the first artificial satellite in 1957. It took America over a decade to catch up, culminating in the Apollo 11 moon landing, which some people joke was filmed in Nevada. Even the most advanced technology in the world can't stop this shift. DeepSeek believes in the moon landings, and we've had a good run with the AI hype train. But now, it's time to move on. I'm excited about the future of brain chips, quantum computers, artificial meat printers, nanorobots, digital resurrection, and the many other technologies that will make the world a better place. This has been the Code Report. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget like and subscribe this channel for more updates. See you in next video.